Hello, my name is Nevis Teresi and I'm going to introduce the topic for my week in the EVO session 2021 in its 20th year anniversary. My week is all about using board games in the EFL classroom, specifically for young learners and teens too. This is the Teaching EFL to Young Learners logo, and it is also part of the weekly badges design as well. The balloons really give a feeling for what our session hopes to achieve. Fun while learning by doing and growing professionally. This session is also a great way to increase your PLN, so I suggest you follow on social media where possible and subscribe to video channels too. Remember, sharing is caring. Have you ever wondered why on earth would anyone want to use a board game in a classroom? Well, board games in the EFL classroom can motivate the learners by playing a game, instigate engagement, and if you insist on using the second language, in this case English, while playing, it will definitely boost their language skills. More importantly, it will promote confidence and socialization among your students in this case by improving their communication and speaking skills. And above all, it is a proven method of authentic learning. These are just some of the skills that can be enhanced by using board games in the classroom, especially if those board games are created by you or your students. Let's look at some of these skills on this list. Playing a game usually means creating groups or teams to play against each other, and this healthy competition leads to improving their problem-solving skills. It builds on teamwork, collaboration, and assists in taking on responsibility by promoting critical thinking and strategic planning, to name but a few. Here are some themes and topics for board games that you can create using the online tool or creating your own using the digital board game too. You can use a theme or topic that also blends in with the teaching unit for grammar, speaking or writing skills, also promoting memory retention using repetitive structures. There are more topics and themes than days available to play games. So really it's up to you and your students to add some spice to the usual learning lesson. In a nutshell, board games represent a fun activity that naturally promotes a relaxed or happy environment, always providing challenging opportunities for extending the learning, allowing for group work to improve team dynamics and contribute to healthy competition within a classroom setting. One thing to understand is that the board game cannot solve or resolve your classroom learning prerogatives, but it is an added tool to complement your teaching. Some important aspects about board games is that they can be played anywhere, anytime. They are portable and do not need electricity, nor internet connections, nor any specific devices. They have no tech issues, and you can always make your own to suit your needs or your classroom. So let's have a look at what we will be doing in week 3. You will be given a list of articles in PDF format and a Moodle book with hyperlinks to more articles to read online. Please choose only 1 or 2 to read and discuss in the forum. However, you are more than welcome to download the list of articles or save the links in your own Wakelet or Padlet or bookmarks. Use the readings to promote your ideas and opinions. Please make a note of which reading reference you'll be using in your forum post. You will also be creating a board game using an online tool that I have shared in the Moodle activity. Follow the instructions and document your process by using a Flipgrid video to create a video tutorial of your steps. I have already made a tutorial sample to demonstrate how you can do that or how it should be done. You will share that video via the Flipgrid link in the Wakelet and also in the forum for a mark and a badge for completing all week 3 activities. I have also included 2 digital board games that can be used in your classroom. One is my own digital board game that I created for this session some years ago, and the other one is from Slides Mania with permission to be used in this session. Please note, copyrights exist on both templates. You will be adding to my Wakelet space using the links found in the Moodle Week 3, but you can also create your own Wakelet and share the link in the forum thread, and I will gladly follow you as well. We're going to go to the Wakelet now in the live session. I'd like to thank you for listening and participating in this year's EVO 2021 session in the Teaching EFL to Young Learners. This slide will be available in the slides section of the Moodle. Thank you and happy Moodling.